how to create Bumble account. So if you want to create a Bumble account, then first you need to make sure that you install the application. You can go with your Play Store or your App Store and you can install the application. Once you install the application, you can just simply search for Bumble and launch the application. Now, once you've launched the application, here you will have this kind of interface. You can just simply tap on continue with Google or Facebook, or you can also use your cell phone number. So I'll go with Google, tap on continue with Google, and then select your Google account that you would like to use. After selecting, now it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you need to create your first name. After that, go with your date of birth and go with the arrow which is on the right side. Tap on confirm, select your gender, and if you want to show that to your profile, then you can go with OK, which is on the bottom. You will have the arrow, you can go with it. And here you can just simply answer all of these questions and you can add your photos to it. After adding your photos, you can go with the arrow again, which is on the bottom right. And from here, you can choose a photo of yourself in which Bumble can see your face clearly. Or you can go with add from Facebook and you can continue with your Facebook, tap on continue, go with got it, which is on the bottom, and select your education, your travel, your working on it, your career, your house. Once you've done, you can go with next, which is on the bottom right, or you can also skip these. After that, go with I accept and tap on check location settings and then allow while using the application. That's it. Your account has been created. So that's how you can create your account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.